Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, but its unique taste can be challenge for some taste buds like me. So I have come up with a delicious solution. Broccoli prantha or roti. Without further delay, let's get started. So I prefer steaming broccoli over boiling because it helps retain more nutrients. To make these nutritious rotis, steam broccoli until you see it's soft. You can always use fork to check. Once steamed properly, add this into a dough. So here I'm using two flours, one wheat flour and one sorghum flour. So I'm making two separate rotis. So here is a tip for sorghum flour. Always knead it in a hot water. Now add chopped green chilies, black pepper, salt, roasted cumin seeds, turmeric. Now let's dive into the nutritional benefits of broccoli. It's rich in vitamin C and K, fiber and antioxidants. These nutrients support a healthy immune system, aid in digestion and provide anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy with yogurt and mint chutney. Now let's talk about why some people experience gas and bloating after eating broccoli or raw broccoli. Broccoli contains a sugar called raffinose. Our bodies lack the enzyme needed to break it down in the small intestine. As a result, it travels undigested to the colon where bacteria ferment it. This fermentation process produces gas which leads to bloating. So, if raw broccoli doesn't sit well with your stomach, try steaming or any other cooking method. This really breaks down some of the fibers, making it easier to digest. So, coming back to this sorghum flour roti, because we are adding hot water, so always use spoon because the water is really hot. Let it sit for few minutes and then knead it again. The spices are same exactly what we have used in wheat flour roti. So that's it. There you have it, a yummy and nutritious way to incorporate broccoli into your diet with these homemade broccoli rotis. So stay healthy and enjoy your meal. Try this once and let me know what do you think. I'm sure you're going to love it if you find eating broccoli as challenging as I do. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.